Madeline Jennings, P 44692.
No, you got to speak louder than that. You used to call cases. I know you can talk louder than that.
Thank you, Judge. Madeline Jennings, P 44692, appearing on behalf of Paul Stacy Smith, who was scheduled here today for purposes of docket conference.
Mr. Smith, state your name for the record.
Mr. Smith, no, this was the investigator. I want to explain this briefly.
Oh, okay, because I remember he was supposed to meet him here today. What happened?
Mr. Keith Kirby is the investigator who both times went to pick up Mr. Smith. He went there today to 20019.
Man, then I can't understand nothing you saying.
Okay,
Okay, lean into the mic and act like you irritated with a child.
The investigator, Keith Kirby, went today again to pick up Paul Smith at 20019 Inkster Road in Inkster, and he never answered the door. Keith Kirby then went back, called him. I called him. He never came to the door. I spoke to him on April 25th. I went over the plea again, spoke to him on April 23rd. So he was very clear about the court date. The reason that the investigator was picking him up was because he had no vehicle. So
That's all right. I'm gonna solve all his problems. Capier shall be issued remand. He won't have to worry about transportation, anything else.
thank you.
Have a good day.
Please.
Good morning, Your Honor. John, KCP number 56162, on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Joe DeCrube on behalf of Mr. Austin Hoybook, who was literally just in your courtroom but had to go feed the meter. But he is appearing via Zoom, Your Honor. P84445.
Sir, state your name for the record.
Austin Matthew Hoybook.
Thank you. Counsel, as to the arraignment.
Your Honor, my client wishes to waive the formal reading, stand mute on the information. And Your Honor, just as a correction for the record, it's Austin Hoybook, B-O-O-K, not Brook, B-R-O-O-K.
Well, they got, okay, because they got it in the system with an I.
I realized that this morning, Your Honor, because Mr. Casey sent me the ROA yesterday so nicely and graciously, and we couldn't find it anywhere, and now we know why.
All righty. The court will enter a plea of not guilty for the purposes of arraignment on the information. Mr. Casey, are there any offers?
Yes, Your Honor, there is an offer for Mr. Hoybook's consideration. He was 23 years old at the time of the offense. He had no other contacts or criminal history. The offer is as follows: plead as charged to embezzlement between $20,000 and $50,000 with the following sentence agreement: a 3-year term of probation. Will consent to HIDA with the following special conditions: restitution in the amount of $44,162.26, payable Sam's Club, Southgate, Michigan. No contact with Sam's Club, and 120 hours of community service. In addition, any terms, conditions, fines, costs, and fees as set by the court. The restitution is a key component there.
I'm sorry, that last sentence?
Oh, the restitution is a key component there.
Are you looking for any portion of it at the time of sentencing or taking the plea?
We haven't had a chance to discuss that yet. Of course, that would be a good gesture on Mr. Hoybook's part. I'm not sure what his financial situation is, if he needs a loan, home loan, family support, or what. So I don't know.
Counsel, do you want that offer to remain available until your next court date?
Your Honor, yes, and if we can respectfully ask the court for a very long court date, because Mr. Hoybook does feel like he is going to take this offer, but we do want to put a substantial amount down toward this. So the longer we have to save, the better it is for Mr. Hoybook.
So what's your definition of longer?
Your Honor, my definition is longer than June. I'm hoping somewhere in I don't know, Your Honor, October. whatever the
You know how
court.
to negotiate. You sit way out there and I'll bring it back a little, you know.
Your Honor, we leave it to the discretion of the court, as long as the court feels comfortable.
I'm gonna give him a docket conference somewhere. I'm gonna give him till the end of August. I'm not going out any further than that.
Yes, Your Honor, that should be fine. Your Honor, if I would have said December, would you have given me October just out of curiosity?
Not at all.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Now, we may be in the new courthouse in August. I don't know if Zoom capacity is going to be available or not. All right, so, you know, you may have to come in, but if Zoom is available, I'll still do Zoom.
Yes,
Word
Your
on the
Honor.
street is November, at least
But
for,
then
for
we
us.
moving.
Yeah, yeah. Well, we're supposed to be fully over. I don't know what that they mean by fully over there, but we're supposed to be 100% in the new building by November.
They told us we were being evicted in the July 1st of August. I guess we'll be zooming for those 2 months out on the street in our cars.
Yeah, in the parking lot.
All right, then what you gonna give him for a date?
August 25th, Your Honor.
August 25.
No,
All right, bring money. Now don't come back up in here with $1,000 in August.
oh no, it won't be $1,000, Your Honor. It'll be a nice amount, hopefully.
All right, I'll see you August 25th, docket conference, 9 o'clock.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Have a good day.
You too, Your Honor.